Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabilo YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set camera storage location into SD card on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to camera application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in camera, go to gear icon on the upper left side on your screen. Okay, tap the gear icon. And camera settings. And useful feature section. Okay, you can see below the storage location. And the storage location is set into internal storage. And if you want to set into SD card, you'll have to do is tap the storage location. And the pop-up will show. Okay, you can see the option. And you can see the SD card. You'll have to do is select the SD card to set as a storage location. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set camera storage location into SD card on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.